just don't know how you do what you do. But I gotta give it up to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and I'm here to show you guys the hair that I'm going to be rocking this summer. You guys, I have curly hair. Curly hair. So this is my first time buying curly bundles and you guys, I'm obsessed, okay? Obsessed. And the hair that I'm wearing is by Hair by Bella Brie and I ordered 3 bundles, a 14-inch, a 16-inch, an 18-inch, and a 14-inch closure, and the texture I have is their Burmese exotic wave. So you guys, this hair is so easy, just get up and go, okay? Listen, because this summer, like I said, I'm trying to be out, okay? And I don't got time for high maintenance hair, okay? This hair is low maintenance, it's lightweight, like it's super light. I feel like the bob I just was wearing was heavier than this, which is crazy. But it's super lightweight and it got some body sheet move. Okay, I love this hair, you guys, and I just think it fits my face really nicely. So this is a wig that I made. Originally I did put in all 3 bundles and you guys, it was just way too much hair for me. So I took the wig apart and right now I just have in the 14-inch closure, the 14-inch and the 16-inch. The 18-inch, I have it right here. This is the whole bundle. I didn't use any of the 18-inch. And you guys, I actually like it. It still looks really full for 2 bundles. Like, do you guys see this? So full for 2 bundles. So I have this bundle here. I think I'm just going to use it for like a cute ponytail or something, or if maybe later I do want to add it, but as of right now I'm extremely satisfied with the 2 bundles. So you guys, this is my 3rd or 4th time ordering from Hair by Bella Brie. They do not know me. I have spent my own coin with them over the years, so I can give you guys an honest review. In the past I've used their body wave, their Burmese super wavy, and then I guess this is the 3rd one, which is the Burmese exotic wave. And you guys, I just love it. It's so easy. It's super low maintenance, okay? So all I do is I spray it with water, and the only product I use on the hair is the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. That's it. I did try to put like a curl enhancing product in the hair, and you guys, it just was super crunchy. The curls were just way too defined, I guess. I just didn't like that look, so I prefer just with the water and a little bit of leave-in, and then it's just good to go. And I actually just really like it. I mean, this is the 4x4 closure, and I feel like it has a lot of parting space. Originally, I wanted to get the 6x6, but that didn't come with the bundle deal, so that's why I just went ahead and got the 4x4. But you guys, I'm satisfied with it. It's just super cute. This hair is super lightweight, and I just feel like this is going to be perfect for the summertime. And I did dye this hair black because it did come, you know, like that brown color. I dyed it and it took to the dye really well. I am going to do some updates as the summer goes on, let you guys know how it's holding up. But so far, it's been about 2 weeks since I've been wearing this hair. And you guys, I love her. I do see myself cutting it because I do like short curly hair. But you know what? As of right now, I'm just going to rock it like this. You guys, I love her. I love spending my money with Hair by Bella Brie because I've never had an issue. The only con about this hair, which is not really a con, the hair has like little fuzz balls, I guess you can say. Like, yeah, like little fuzz balls. I'm going to assume it's where their vendor is storing the hair. I'll put like a video that I took, but it has like little like pink fuzz balls, like lint. Yeah, kind of like lint. It's like in the hair. It's not like you just blow it out real quick. You literally have to like take the strand of hair that's connected to and like try to like pull the piece out. I don't see any right now, but I do see it on a daily basis when I'm styling the hair. So that's something that they should look into, because wherever they're storing this hair is probably like a bin with dust or something. I don't deal with any tangling in the back. Like my hands literally just run through it. No tangling in the nape, no shedding, because I did sew my wefts. But other than that, like the hair is beautiful. I think it's nice and full. Again, 2 bundles, you guys. Okay, 2 bundles. Had I known that, I wouldn't have bought 3 bundles. But anyway, I'm loving this hair, you guys. My friends love this hair. I went to the B2K concert tonight, so this is going to be her first official night out on the town. But you guys, I'm obsessed with this hair. I'm going to be rocking it all summer, okay? All summer. And it's low maintenance. That's what I need. That's what really stopped me in the past from buying curly hair, because I'm just like, I don't got time to get up in the morning, have to put all these products in it, have to brush it out, detangle. I don't got time. But this hair is super low maintenance. But you guys, it's so nice. And again, you guys, this is 14 and 16 inch, 2 bundles. But if you guys were thinking about trying their hair, like I said, this is my 3rd time purchasing from them. go ahead and give it a try. Yeah, like I said, they don't know me, so I'm not getting the good batch. I've never had an issue with their hair, and that is honest, okay? But yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. If there's anything that I left out, I'll leave it in the description box below. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. And while you're here, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.